welcome all the listeners again. Before I start, I would like to thank Principal Professor Dr. Maushmi Datta for giving us an idea of starting our own podcast. I would also like to thank Vice Principal and IQAC Coordinator Professor Dr. Mona Mehta for helping us to make this podcast come into existence. This podcast is in association with Internal Quality Assurance Cell hosted by the Department of Multimedia and Mass Communication. So let's start with a new episode of NTC Spotlight.
So as a parent, I would like to know that what is the kind of alumni support my child would get in this college, or what kind of alumni support is there?
Yeah, so the live example is right here. So we keep alumni kind of thing podcast, and also we have a Khandwala Alumni Association where alumni are connected. So if in case a current student is working in a field, and if the alumni is working in that same field, so we connect with them, and also it would be helpful for the students also to learn about the industry, to know that how the current market looks like. So during orientation she has spoken about how the market look like, and also the students have got a lot of knowledge about and insights regarding this. So yeah, we do have alumni support.
I mean, as a personal experience, what we usually do is that as alumni, because these people are BMM pass outs now, as soon as they will pass out, while they are in college, definitely they can just ring up anyone. They all have our contacts. Like within 6 months, we'll be able to reach if this person is doing this. If they see NKBMMC in their LinkedIn and everything, they can reach out to us. While talking about the alumni, they'll always know what are we doing in the industry. So if they see that, okay, this is one person who's working with this following company and I like this company, what can I do? Or I like this job portfolio that they are doing, how do I reach there? So that is what we do. Like today I did just that. I took questions regarding the fact that how do you get into Nykaa? How do you get into Purple? And those are the questions that I answered. So you basically stay connected like that. And one good thing about we come back like twice a year to anyhow.
Okay.
All of us, like we have different events. So like Montage is one of them, that where we come back and we're like, and that is where we even. So when you do these events, because we are involved a little, right?
Yeah.
So we'll be able to tell you like getting guests. So I'm sure you don't know it yet, but while for Montage, all the guest mapping and everything is also done by students.
So we all know that not even a single day is similar in college. Like sometime you might laugh all day
Apart
with
from
your
attending
friends.
lectures, that should be very similar. I said my bit, guys. Now,
Then some day you might feel like lonely. Not a single day is
true.
similar. So I would like to ask you that what were the challenges you faced during your college time, and how did you overcome it?
so I think one thing which is very good right now which is 10 years back, which we did not have, is a lot of social media which taught about self-identity. And parents who support it. Like her as a parent, if I would have gotten, very different story altogether. With my parent, it was more on the fact that, so what?
Okay, my next question to you is like students come to college, this 3 years of degree college, they also want to gain some real experiences. Like do some work, do some job, some internships, etc. So I would really like to know that whether this college has some arrangement for internships or job placements, and what kind of career opportunities they can take up, or companies coming to the campus.
Yes, ma'am.
What exactly?
Sure, we do have. It's called CDPC. The full form is Career Development Placement Cell, where different companies, they come to college and they, have a look. They interview the students here who are looking for a job, who are looking for internships, and if there is a vacancy in their company, they surely give the opportunity for the internships to the students of the college. So yeah, we do have CDPC in our college.
And we, though, as industry people, if we know we need interns, first person we call is Preeti ma'am. And we just, so they have these groups on WhatsApp, or each batch has a group on WhatsApp. Batch on FIS, SY and everything. We directly posted there, we are looking for this. Can you, do you, so because we know, right? कि हमें यार this seems like something that our juniors we feel can do.
Yeah.
And because we are so well placed in the industry, all of us, very well. There's one of our alumnus who works with Amitabh Bachchan.
Okay, so with this, we would like to conclude this podcast. I really appreciate and grateful that you both could give us your valuable time.